Hey there, I'm Alex with MailerLite, and today we're unlocking the magic of A-B testing. Now, if you're here and watching this video, you're probably wondering, what is A-B testing, why does it matter, and why only A or B? You see, A-B testing is when you give your audience two versions of an email and let the data decide which works best, either based on email opens or clicks. In this video, we'll cover the basics of A-B testing, how to set up an A-B test, and how to analyze the results and use them to make informed decisions about future campaigns. We'll start in your MailerLite dashboard and select Create. Select Create Campaign, and then select A-B Split Campaign. Let's go ahead and enter your campaign details. Give your campaign a name, and then choose what you want to test. You can compare things like subject lines, sender or from names, email content, or sending time. We're going to test for opens in this demo, so we'll select email subject. Below, let's enter our subject lines and other campaign details. If you'd like an in-depth tutorial on how to set up email campaigns in MailerLite, check out the video linked in the description below. And then select your recipients. Keep in mind that in MailerLite, you need to have a minimum of 4 subscribers to run an A/B split test. And when you're done, hit Next Content. And since we're testing subject lines, we'll go ahead and select a template for today and then move on to settings of your A/B test. That said, if you need a refresher on using the drag and drop editor to design your email, you'll want to check out the video in the description below. Now in the settings, you can select the size of your test group. It's important to select a sample size that's large enough to have a clear result. But with that said, the larger the group, the more reliable the data will be. The test groups will be split evenly, or at least as evenly as possible, depending on your list size. So here you can see that we have 53 recipients for version A and 52 for version B. Once a winning campaign is selected from either A or B, the remaining 105 will be automatically sent that version. You can set the test to determine the winning email either by clicks or by opens. Since we're testing subject lines, we want to test it by opens. You can also tell the system how long you want the test to run for. And you want to make sure that you give your subscribers enough time to actually open the email. And for now, we'll just set that to 3 days. And you can also select between days or hours. You may also have noticed this little checkbox over here that says, Run A/B test on the entire list of selected recipients. If you want to use your entire selected recipients list to run a larger A/B test and use that result to inform a future campaign, you would select this option. When you do that, it's going to send both versions equally to your entire list. Once you're done here, hit Next Review. The review and schedule page should look familiar. You can edit your campaign details or email design, and if you scroll down, you can edit your A/B split settings as well. You'll notice a small notification here that the winner will be selected by opens after 3 days. For scheduling your campaign, you can either have it send now or you can have it send at a later date. And then once you're done, you'll hit Send. So, after you send an A/B split campaign, how do you use those results? You'll want to head back over to Campaigns, and then make sure that you're in the Sent tab. And then you can select View Report. Select A/B Split. And then you can see which version won, what percentage of recipients opened the email, and also how many clicked any links within the email. Keep in mind that if you check this area before the A/B test has ended, so say you set the test to run for 7 days, and then you check the overview after only 3 days, the winner will not have been decided yet by the system. So you'd see a button letting you manually choose the winning campaign. Otherwise, if the A/B test has finished in the time that you set it for, then that button won't appear, and instead you'll be able to see what time the winning campaign was automatically chosen and sent out, as well as what it was based on, by clicks or opens. Remember, A/B testing is a long-term strategy. The more you test, the better you'll get at crafting high-performing emails. So keep experimenting and then let the data guide you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more of the best tips in email marketing. Until next time, may the open rates be ever in your favor.